Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to install the plugin which is Elementor, the website designer. So we are going to need this Elementor plugin to help us to build a customized homepage or any other web pages in our WordPress website. So just quickly go to your plugins, go to add new, and in the keywords just simply type in Elementor, and it will show you the main plugin that we are going to install, which is Elementor Page Builder from the developer called Elementor.com. If you try to look at other plugins, basically they are the add-ons plugins for the Elementor, where it provides you extra features and functionality that you can add into your website or your web pages. So just quickly try to install and activate the plugin, which is Elementor. So if you try to look at the bottom here, it basically say it is compatible with your version of WordPress. So it depends on what kind of WordPress theme that you have installed onto your website. So my WordPress theme is Serif Lite, as I've shown you in the previous tutorial. So just make sure that the plugin is compatible with your WordPress version. Same case to the other add-on plugin as well. So in this tutorial we are going to install this plugin Elementor Page Builder, essential add-ons for Elementor, the developer from WP Developer, the premium add-ons, and the Elementor add-on elements from the web tag street. So make sure that you install the correct add-on plugins for Elementor by checking the name of the developer. Alright, so we are going to install 4 plugins in this tutorial, which is this one, this one, this one, and this one. So 4 of them. Make sure you install and activate it right away. So I would highly recommend you to use Serif Lite. If I go to appearance, go to theme, if you still don't have chosen any theme, I would advise you to install this Serif Lite theme. So there is not a theme that I've installed onto my other website. So this is jbjtmarketers.org. I'm going to show you the theme that I've installed. It is still pretty good theme that it is well compatible with Elementor and its add-on plugins, which is called Square Active. So there are 2 choices for you: either use the Square theme or the Serif Lite theme. So make sure you install all the plugins that I've shown you previously and quickly go to Elementor. Once you have activated, you're able to see the icon and the name on the left hand side tab. Go to settings, make sure you're able to edit the posts and the pages. Quickly go to advanced, make sure you enable the editor loader method. Try to enable it because it will help you to troubleshoot the conflicts. If you install either of the themes that I recommend to you, it should not be any problem at all when you are using Elementor plugin. So at the end of this tutorial, make sure you have installed these 4 plugins and activated them right away.